Are you lost? Watch this episode and I'll teach you how to speak Hokkien and ask for directions. Now, it's normal to get lost, but how would you ask the person if the person doesn't speak Filipino or English or any other dialect other than Hokkien? I mean, in the Philippines, Philippine Hokkien. So I've created this episode so that you can ask with confidence on the direction on how to go to the place that you want to be. So listen, take down notes, and learn.
Lesson for today, asking for directions.
差陣，仲有機會行啊？
你行一個路，直直，到我第二大路，挖倒手。
多謝。
Okay, so let's break this down.
差陣，仲有機會行啊？
Excuse me, how to go to the garden? Sadin is excuse me. Chunga is how. Ki is go. Hueheng is garden. Sadin, chunga ki hueheng ah?
你行一個路，直直，到我第二大路，挖倒手。
In English, you walk this road straight ahead. When you reach the second big road, turn left. Di is you. Kya is walk. Sige is this. Lo is road. Notice these 4 words I've already taught you from previous episodes. You can check it out if you missed it on the pronouns episode, action words, and measure words. Next, tit, straight. Kawa is until. Tedi is in terms of ranking. Second, tedi, number 2, second. Tua is big. Dalo is road, so big road. Wat is turn. Tochu is left. Dikya tsigelo, titit. Kawa tedi tualo, wat tochu.
多謝。
Now, as most of you already know, it's thank you. Tosha is thank you.
怎樣去菜市啊？
你要搭車是換車？
我要換車。
你換到 SM Center Point， Araneta ku titit ki。過橋了則挖倒手。
多謝。怎樣去菜市啊？
In English, how to go to the market. Or if you want to say, how do I go to the market? You start with gua. Usually it starts with the subject. Gua chunga beki will go. How will I go? Will go. Beki tai tia. Gua chunga beki tai tia. Okay, so now we break down the words. Chunga is how. Ki is go. Tai ti is market. Chunga ki tai tia.
你要搭車是換車？
In English, are you going to take a public transportation or are you gonna drive? To break this down, di is you. Be is will. Tacha is take public transportation. Asi means or. Hua cha is drive a car. Hua is drive. Cha is car. Drive a car.
我要換車。
In English, I will be driving a car.
你換到 SM Center Point， Araneta ku titit ki。過橋了則挖倒手。
多謝。
Now, some words I've already discussed in the previous example. So, here are some of the terms that I may not have discussed yet. Ke is cross. Kyo is bridge. Diao is finish. It can also be then. What is turn. Tochu is left. Tochu can also be left hand. Chu is hand. So, usually when we say a direction, they use like left hand. Tochu, right hand. Siachu. Now, here are some of the terms that might come in handy. Left. Tochu. right. Tia chu, go around. Kun, tidin is one time. One round. Go around one time. Kun tidin. If it's more than one time, kun ng din. Kun sa din. And then transport waiting area. Cha tsam. At the back, ao pia. Across. Tui bin. Beside. Ping tao.
So I hope the episode was helpful to you. And if you would like similar kinds of episode, please click on the like, click on the subscribe button, and click on the bell for our future notifications. And of course, share this with your friends so that all of you can learn how to speak Philippine Hokkien. So keep on learning! Bye!